Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to talk about long division of polynomials. So you'll set it up just like you would set up long division back in elementary school when you learned to do it with numbers. So we're going to do x squared plus 10x plus 21 divided by x plus 3. So, all we're going to do is take the first term of our original, or the divisor, look at the first term of the dividend, and we'll figure out what we need to multiply that by to get those to match. So in this case, it's going to be x. And now, just like you did back with whole number, long division, we'll multiply that x by the x plus 3. So we get x squared plus 3x. And now we're going to subtract that. So I'm just going to change all of the signs. So we end up getting 7x. And I'll bring down the 21. Well, now, to get those first terms to match, I need 7. 7 times x gives me 7x. 7 times 3 gives me 21. Change my signs. And then I end up with a remainder of 0. I'm going to do one more problem with this just so that we can see how we're going to write this if we have a remainder. Oops. So it's going to be 6x cubed minus x squared minus 5x plus 4. So first thing, to match the first terms, we need a 2x squared. So multiply the divisor by 2x squared, I get 6x cubed minus 4x squared. Then I prefer to change my signs so I can just add. So we end up getting 3x squared. I'll go ahead and bring down the 5x. So now we just need a 1, or an x rather. So multiply that x by the 3x minus 2, I get 3x squared minus 2x. So I'll now change my signs so that I can add and get negative 3x plus 4. So I need to multiply by a negative 1. So I get minus 3x plus 2. Switch my signs. And I end up getting a remainder of 2. So the way that we're going to write this is we're going to say 6x cubed minus x squared minus 5x plus 4 divided by 3x minus 2 is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 1 plus 2 over 3x minus 2. So that's how we do long division of polynomials. In the next video, we're going to take a look at a way that we can simplify the process in certain cases.